Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. This is a YouTube channel dedicated to help you use the ASL language to worship God. My name is Mandy and I'm really glad you're here. This week we're working on a song called I Know a Man Who Can by the Cathedrals. But housekeeping items first, remember, I am left-handed, so if you are right-handed, that means you're going to mirror my signs at home. If you look below this video in the description, you're going to find a link to print off the lyrics, as well as a link to purchase the song. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss your favorite songs in the future. Also, if you're finding the channel a little difficult to navigate, you can always go to the website, signlanguageworship.com. All the tutorials are there as well. Okay, so on to the chorus. Some call him Savior, the Redeemer of all men. I call him Jesus, for he's my dearest friend. If you think that no one loves you and your life is out of hand, I know a man who can. Okay, that's what we'll be signing. So we're going to start with some. For some, we're talking about others or they, so we point to other people, okay? Some call, you have your non-dominant hand out and you pull away from it with your dominant hand, okay? Some call him, we're talking about God in heaven, him Jesus. Or sorry, some call him Savior, I apologize. Some call him Savior. So for Savior, you're going to make an S with your fist. So this is an A with your thumb on top, and this is an S. So an S with both fists, crossing your arms, coming out and down, because we're talking about Savior in the person form. Saved person, okay? Savior. And then Redeemer is the same way, only this time we're making R's. Okay, so we have our fingers crossed. Redeemer. Redeemer. Okay? So some call him Savior, Redeemer of all men. So we're going to do everyone. So for everyone, you're going to take your two thumbs up, brush your dominant hand against your non-dominant hand, and then go one. Everyone. Everyone. Okay, let's try that line from the top. Some call him Savior, Redeemer of all men. I call him Jesus. I call him Jesus. So for Jesus, you're doing the nail pierced hands. So you take your middle finger and you show where the nail pierced hands would have been. Jesus, for he is my, and then dearest, okay, in your heart, dearest, and then friend, okay, index fingers, hook, hook. It doesn't matter which way you start, okay? It doesn't matter, but it's just hook, hook. Okay, let's try that line again. I call him Jesus, for he's my dearest friend. If you think that no one loves you, if you think, okay, this is no, right, with multiple fingers, think is one finger, think that no one, make two O's, no one loves you, okay, and your life, so making two L's coming towards your belly and then up to your rib cage, okay, life, okay, his life is out of hand. So for out of control, take two index fingers, kind of go back and forth like that's a battle, okay, and then whew, gone, lost it, okay? That's out of control. So let's try that line again. If you think that no one loves you and your life is out of hand, I know a man who can. Okay, let's try that top to bottom, the chorus, okay? Some call him Jesus, or sorry, let's try that again. Some call him Savior, Redeemer of every man. I call him Jesus, for he's my dearest friend. If you think that no one loves you and your life is out of hand, I know a man who can. Okay, let's try it one more time from the top. Some call him Savior, Redeemer of all men. I call him Jesus, for he's my dearest friend. If you think that no one loves you and your life is out of hand, I know a man who can. And that's the chorus, guys. Tomorrow we will learn the second verse, then we'll put it all together with a walkthrough, and then on the final day we'll do it with the music. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.